Introducing DROCON Ninja Drone for Kids and Beginners, FPV drone with 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera. Modular battery, easy to replace batteries for a longer flying experience. Operate your RC drone through the app after connecting it with your phone via Wi-Fi, offering a real-time image so that you can shoot photos and videos and pics and share them on social media easily.
Super stable hovering, beginners can easily taking stunning pictures and video from the sky in no time. With the 1080p 30fps FHD camera, the drone with camera records wonderful moments from the sky. The 120-degree wide-angle lens captures the awesome perspective of everything.
Want to go further? The drone will never bore you with its pro-level functions, the 3D flip function, gravity control, and the fastest speed of the 3-speed mode. So, what are you waiting for?